I'm going to either eat this or freeze it. So let's just defeather this creature. So how fast can I do this? Well, with bare head. Oh, it's broken here. It's broken. You know, when you make a meatball out of duck, it's great, you know. It's really delicious. Meatball, any kind of meatball. See that? See how quick, really quick, right? Look, and I'm gonna keep the neck apart for later because it's easy to do that. See? How easy this is. This part right here, gotta pluck just a bit. These things, you know. And once that's done, the rest is the same. You do the same way. All the ducks are the same. And when you want to go faster, you whip your hand like this and go like that. See? It's not interesting. I used to do this hundreds, you know. So I know how to do it. You gotta do hundreds. I used to do maybe 10 a day, maybe more, because I was also doing the trapping, not trap. What do you call it? Snare? Not snare, trap. It's a net, you know. It's called duck net. I used to do that. And so, but today I only do this. See, that's done. This is done. It's finished. It is finished. And you need to clean. You need to clean gut. Okay, to do that, you just go like this. This is the easiest way. You go like that, and then you just. Sometimes it's not. Here we go. See? And then you go like this. And what you have to do is you pull like this. See? I wish I could wash this though. The other one I didn't wash either. And this part, I want to keep it for my fishing. Okay, like that. And you keep this like that, right? when you don't have clean water, it helps to get rid of the blood and things like that. And put the duck in the bag. Go. Okay. If you can, you want to do this. Okay. There's another way. Another one. Wash this in clean water. That's it.